Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of you. Dear student, as you know, you have learnt about the files, icons, folders, my computer. Today we will learn about recycling taskbar and start button on page 41. Take your book, open page 41. Firstly, we will learn about recycle bin. When you delete a file, Windows will place the file into the recycle bin instead of removing it altogether. This allows you to restore the file in case you removed it by mistake. It means when you delete a file from your computer, it will not remove it from your computer. It will save in your recycle bin and you can restore it. इसमें कि जब आप इसको किसी फ़ाइल को डिलीट कर देते हैं या आपसे कोई फ़ाइल बाय मिस्टेक या गलती से कोई डिलीट हो जाती है तो वो फ़ाइल आपकी रिसाइकल बिन में सेव हो जाती है. जब तक आप उसको खुद डिलीट नहीं करते हैं, रिसाइकल बिन क्लियर नहीं करते हैं, आपके कंप्यूटर में रिसाइकल बिन में वो फ़ाइल सेव रहती है. टास्क बार. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of your screen. The taskbar is visible almost all the time. It also following main sections. The start button. This window icon is called start button, which opens the start menu. The middle section, which shows you which programs and documents you have open and allow you to quickly switch between them. The notification area, which includes a clock and icons, small pictures that communicate the status of certain programs and computer settings. This bar is called taskbar. Here is a start button. This is called in green color. This is called start button. Windows tab, that is show your documents or your files, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel where you are doing your work. This bar is called system tray in taskbar. It will show the time clock and other icons. Start button. The start menu button is located on the taskbar, which is most commonly found on down left corner of the desktop screen. The start button launches the start menu, which is the main access point to both the user programs that are installed on the systems. If you are looking for a program or a system setting, this is the best place to start. Start button is located on desktop on down left corner. It includes button like log off the current user. It means आप कंप्यूटर को ऑफ कर सकते हैं. टर्न ऑफ कंप्यूटर, शट डाउन, रीस्टार्ट एंड स्टैंड बाय, ऑल प्रोग्राम्स, access to installed programs. This is called the start button. When you click on start button, it will show a menu list. You will check it, programs, internet, emails and some other softwares. It will show also log off or turn off the computer or restart the computer. Log off means how to turn off or shut down the computer. Dear students, you have learned it and revise it at home. Allah Hafiz. Stay